Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to add a status on Botim. Also I wonder why you want to know how to add a status on Botim. It is because you want to write something in your status because you want to show it to others, or maybe you want the others to know that you are not free, or maybe you're away from work so they could not irritate you by sending messages, or maybe there is any other reason for you to write a status on Botim. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Simply tap on the icon of the Botim app to open the app, and once the app gets open you will see its interface. This is how the Botim app looks. We have options all over the screen. Right now we are in the chat sections where all the chats appears. Along with that we have a call section where all the call logs appear, and we have an explore where we could explore different stuff, and we have contacts where all the contacts appear. But here we have to click on me. So for that just simply tap on me because it has further option through which we can see how we can set a status on Botim. Once you tap here you will see further few options. Here at the first we have our name, our profile picture, and under our name there is a written thing which is the status. So here the status is comes under the name. Right now it is very much visible because of its color. So when I close the mobile you could see this is the status, and this is we will see how we can change it or how we can make a new one. So for that first what you have to do is you just have to simply tap on it, and there you will see 3 to 4 options. So from all these options at the last we have an option which is status, and along with that we have written status which is a default status. So to change it just simply tap on this to open it. Here we have many different statuses, and all these statuses are written defaultly by the app. You can select any one of these, and if you want to write your own custom one you can also do that. So if you want to use any one of these, like if you're sleeping you can select the sleeping, if you're in a meeting select in a meeting, and it will be updated, and at the bottom it will also indicate you that it is updated. And if you want to write a custom one then just select on the current selected status, and this option will open. From there first you have to remove the existing one, and then you have to type the new one. So here you can type anything whatever comes to your mind, like we add bio and different stuff on other WhatsApp and other social media apps. So here we can also do the same thing, and once you're done just click here and it will be uploaded on your profile, and this is how it will look. You can change your status whenever you want, and you can also choose the default ones. Right down the profile you can see it has been updated, and now what we wrote is written here. So that's how you can also update your status on Botim. This was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a status on Botim. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.